thought it was really informative because building the countertops is what I have a hard time with and I didn't quite get. So I'm glad that we had this bar with all of the curves and all the complications in it to see what to do.
So I needed to know how to construct countertops. That's something I want to incorporate in the business that I start with this product. Being able to see how they're put together, the biscuit cutter, those kind of things. I'm really novice to the construction side. So that was really good for me. I like that he shows us functional things. He doesn't just say, go play, just go play with this epoxy and make whatever you can make, but he says, these are the things that are selling on countertops, go replicate this. So the replication process, I think, is probably one of the biggest assets to me.
Familiar with epoxy pours. I have not ever done anything as large as a countertop. So that was kind of exciting to me. We actually built a countertop. It was pretty awesome learning how to do that